Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is 24th SCO Summit. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will represent India at the annual summit of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, that is SCO, in Astana, Kazakhstan, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has decided to skip it. Kazakhstan took over the SCO presidency from India, which was the president last year. India hosted the SCO summit virtually in July 2023. Now let's discuss about SCO, that is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization, established in 2001, is a political, economic, and security alliance. Current members include China, Russia, India, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Iran. Belarus, Mongolia, and Afghanistan are three observer states of the SCO. Iran became a full member in 2023 under India's presidency, while Belarus holds observer status and is next in line for full membership. Pakistan became its permanent member along with India in 2017. The organization has two standing bodies, the Secretariat in Beijing and the Executive Committee of the Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure, that is RADS, in Tashkent. The SCO focuses on regional security, counter-terrorism, and economic cooperation among its member states. It encompasses over 60% of the Eurasian landmass, 40% of the world's population, and 30% of global GDP. Now let's discuss about the goals of the SCO. To strengthen mutual trust, friendship, and good neighborliness between the member states. To encourage effective cooperation between the member states in politics, trade, economy, science and technology, culture, education, energy, transport, tourism, and environmental protection. To jointly ensure and maintain peace, security, and stability in the region. And to promote a new democratic, fair, and rational international political and economic order. Now lastly, let's discuss about India and the SCO. India's association with the SCO began in 2005 as an observer country. It became a full member state of the SCO at the Astana summit in 2017. India has shown a keen interest in deepening its security-related cooperation with the SCO and its regional anti-terrorism structure, which specifically deals with issues relating to security and defense. Leaders of the SCO adopted the New Delhi Declaration when India hosted the SCO summit in the virtual format in July 2023. According to the New Delhi Declaration, the member states will seek to develop common principles and approaches to form a unified list of terrorist, separatist, and extremist organizations whose activities are prohibited on the territories of the SCO member states. India has created 5 new pillars and focus areas for cooperation in the SCO, which include startups and innovation, traditional medicines, youth empowerment, digital inclusion, and shared Buddhist heritage. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about SCO summit. 1. Belarus, Mongolia, and Afghanistan are 3 observer states of the SCO. 2. Pakistan became its permanent member along with India in 2017. 3. Leaders of the SCO adopted the New Delhi Declaration when India hosted the SCO summit in July 2023. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.